symmetry here is excellent, no signs of stress.
Agreed. The texture is smooth and clean.
The circumference is stable at 25 inches.
And the texture remains smooth. The tablet confirms the data input.
We ensure the bulls receive a precise blend of quality forage, grains, and essential minerals.
Eyes are clear, ears look good. Check the skin turgor here.
Got it. All parameters within normal range.
The growth rate is consistent with the previous quarter. And the surface quality assessment confirms optimal health.
The ultrasound shows healthy tissue, heart sounds are strong. Agreed. Body condition score is stable, and the vitals confirm everything.
The ear canal looks clear, lungs sound strong.
Vitals are stable and within range. I'll log the body condition score as excellent.
Skilled staff attach barcode labels and identification tags before placing each piece into carefully organized storage racks prepared for artisan production. Scan complete. Cross-referencing with the certificate now.
Matches the digital log. Batch 7 confirms ethical sourcing.
The curve here really captures the essence of the horn.
Yes, but how does it translate to the brass fitting?
Look at this hairline fracture near the base.
Documenting it now, zooming in.
toggling the switch now.
CRI is stable, lumen output matches spec.
Excellent. The power connection test is complete.
The resistance levels are nominal across the board. Noted. Everything looks good here.
Final verification complete. We are clear for sign-off.
The stability index is holding at 99.8%.
Excellent. The mounting appears completely secure under vibration.
Manifest check complete for container 4B.
Roger that. Commencing load.